Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to learn about Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's incredible life story. This video is simple and easy to understand, making it perfect for practicing your English listening skills. Birth, childhood, and family. Dwayne Douglas Johnson was born on May 2, 1972, in Hayward, California. He comes from a family with strong wrestling roots. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a professional wrestler, and his grandfather, Peter Maivia, was also a famous wrestler. Dwayne spent his early childhood moving frequently because of his father's wrestling career. The Johnson family often struggled financially during Dwayne's childhood. They moved many times, living in New Zealand, Hawaii, and several states across the United States. By the time Dwayne was in high school, he had lived in 13 different states. As a teenager, Dwayne was tall and muscular. Many people thought he was older than his actual age. During these years, Dwayne faced some difficult times. His family sometimes couldn't pay rent, and they were even evicted from their apartment when he was 14 years old. These early struggles taught Dwayne the importance of hard work and determination. Despite these challenges, Dwayne's mother, Atta Johnson, always encouraged him to stay positive. The strong bond between Dwayne and his parents helped shape his character and work ethic from an early age. Education and training. Dwayne Johnson attended Freedom High School in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. There he discovered his talent for sports, particularly football. His impressive size and natural athletic ability made him stand out on the football field. Many college coaches noticed his potential. After graduating from high school in 1990, Dwayne received a full football scholarship to the University of Miami. This was a dream come true for him. At the University of Miami, Dwayne studied criminology and physiology. He was serious about his education while also focusing on his football career. On the university's football team, Dwayne played as a defensive lineman. He was part of the Miami Hurricanes national championship team in 1991. His teammates respected him for his strength, dedication, and positive attitude. Unfortunately, Dwayne suffered several injuries during his college football career. These injuries prevented him from reaching his full potential in the sport. Despite these setbacks, Dwayne completed his Bachelor of General Studies degree in 1995, becoming the first person in his family to graduate from college. Early professional career. After college, Dwayne Johnson briefly played for the Calgary Stampeders in the Canadian Football League. However, he was cut from the team after just 2 months. This was a major disappointment for Dwayne, who had dreamed of a professional football career. With his football dreams ended, Dwayne decided to follow in his father's and grandfather's footsteps. In 1996, Dwayne Johnson began training to become a professional wrestler. His father initially hesitated to train him, warning Dwayne about the difficulties of the wrestling life. Dwayne persisted and made his wrestling debut in 1996 as Rocky Maivia, combining his father's and grandfather's names. At first, wrestling fans didn't connect with his character. They often chanted "Rocky sucks" during his matches. This rejection was difficult for the young wrestler. Instead of giving up, Dwayne transformed his character. He developed a new persona called The Rock, a confident, charismatic wrestler who referred to himself in the third person. This new character quickly became popular with fans. By 1998, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson had become one of the biggest stars in the World Wrestling Federation, WWF, now WWE. Personal life and relationships. Dwayne Johnson married his college sweetheart, Dany Garcia, in 1997. They have one daughter together named Simone, who was born in 2001. Although Dwayne and Dany divorced in 2008, they maintained a positive relationship and even continued as business partners. Family has always been important to Dwayne. He is known for his close relationship with his mother, Atta. Dwayne often shares stories about buying his mother a house and a car to thank her for all her sacrifices during his childhood. In 2019, Dwayne married Lauren Hashian after a long relationship. They have two daughters together, Jasmine and Tiana. Dwayne is a devoted father who often shares glimpses of his family life on social media. Despite his busy schedule, he makes time for his children and considers fatherhood his most important role. Dwayne is also known for his friendships with other celebrities and his former wrestling colleagues. He maintains strong connections with people from different phases of his career. His ability to build and maintain relationships has contributed to his success in both wrestling and Hollywood. Major achievements and contributions. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson achieved tremendous success in professional wrestling. Between 1996 and 2004, he won the WWF/WWE Championship 8 times. The Rock became famous for his entertaining interviews. His signature moves like the People's Elbow, and his catchphrase, "Can you smell what The Rock is cooking?" In the early 2000s, Dwayne began transitioning to acting. His first major role was in The Mummy Returns 2001. Followed by the lead role in The Scorpion King 2002. These early films showed his potential as an action star. After taking a break from wrestling to focus on acting, Dwayne struggled to find his place in Hollywood. His breakthrough came with his role in Fast Five 2011, part of the Fast and Furious franchise. This role established him as a legitimate box office star. Since then, Dwayne Johnson has starred in numerous successful films, including Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, Moana, San Andreas, and Hobbs and Shaw. He has become one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood. In 2020, Forbes magazine named him the highest-paid actor for the second year in a row. Beyond acting, Dwayne has achieved success as a producer and entrepreneur. He co-founded Seven Bucks Productions, which has produced many of his films. He also created his own tequila brand called Teremana, launched a successful clothing line with Under Armour, and purchased a stake in the XFL Football League. Challenges and obstacles overcome. Throughout his life, Dwayne Johnson has faced and overcome numerous challenges. As a teenager, he experienced poverty and even had some troubles with the law. By age 17, he had been arrested multiple times for fighting and theft. These early experiences could have led him down a negative path. When his football career ended, Dwayne fell into depression. He had only $7 in his pocket and had to move back in with his parents. This period was one of the lowest points in his life. However, Dwayne used this setback as motivation to rebuild his life through wrestling. In his early wrestling career, fans rejected his character. Rather than giving up, Dwayne reinvented himself as The Rock and turned the negative reception into an opportunity for growth. This ability to adapt has been crucial throughout his career. The transition from wrestling to Hollywood was also challenging. Many critics and industry insiders doubted that a wrestler could become a successful actor. Dwayne faced typecasting and struggled to be taken seriously as an actor. Through persistence and hard work, he proved his critics wrong and established himself as a versatile performer. In 2014, Dwayne revealed that he had battled depression multiple times in his life. By sharing his mental health struggles publicly, he helped reduce stigma and showed that even successful people face internal battles. Legacy and impact on the world. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has left a significant mark on entertainment and popular culture. He helped transform professional wrestling during the late 1990s Attitude Era, making it more popular than ever before. Many current wrestlers cite him as a major influence on their careers. In Hollywood, Dwayne has changed perceptions about action stars. He has shown that leading men can be physically impressive while also displaying emotional range and comedy skills. His success has opened doors for other athletes transitioning to acting careers. Dwayne uses his platform to support various charitable causes. He works with the Make-A-Wish Foundation, granting wishes to children with critical illnesses. His Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation helps terminally ill children. He also supports disaster relief efforts and veterans organizations. As a mixed-race person with Black and Samoan heritage, Dwayne has become an important figure for representation in media. He proudly celebrates his cultural background and has helped increase visibility for Pacific Islander communities in mainstream entertainment. Through social media, Dwayne connects with millions of fans worldwide. He shares motivational messages about his hardest worker in the room philosophy. His emphasis on discipline, gratitude, and kindness has inspired people from all walks of life. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's journey from financial hardship to global superstardom shows us the power of perseverance. His story teaches us that setbacks can become setups for comebacks. Through hard work, adaptability, and a positive attitude, Dwayne transformed every obstacle into an opportunity. As Dwayne often says, success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. His life reminds us that our dreams are worth pursuing, no matter how many challenges we face along the way. Whether in the wrestling ring, on movie screens, or in business, Dwayne Johnson continues to inspire millions to be the hardest workers in the room and to never give up on their goals.